Yes, I will be giving a presentation on the Mbari heritage at the upcoming Igbo Conference holding at SOAS, School of Oriental and African Studies, on the 2nd and 3rd of May. That is the first Friday and first Saturday of May, this weekend. The Mbari system is very, very fascinating. It actually inspired great writers like Chinua Achebe. Unfortunately today, this unique Igbo heritage, I can tell you, is extinct. In fact, to do my research, I found out that many of our young people, graduates and undergraduates, know nothing about the Mbari. In one place, I asked two middle-aged women where the Mbari used to be in that village. One looked at the other and asked her, "Omoronye na Mbari na village? Is there anyone called Mbari in this village?" Well, definitely at the Igbo conference, I will answer that question for her. You just have to be there. Don't let your busy life deny you knowledge. Just to be there on the 2nd and the 3rd, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. as we discuss the Igbo heritage.